Hold it steady right there. Lowering the starboard side now. Clearances look good on this.
Final pre-flight check completed. Fighter jet fully operational. All systems verified.
We have located the abandoned fighter jet at the bottom of the sea. Our team is preparing for its safe extraction and subsequent restoration.
The ROV maneuvers closer, its powerful lights revealing extensive structural fatigue and deep-sea corrosion on the fuselage.
The lifting cables are descending on target. Maintain steady speed.
Copy that. Steady descent. Approaching the starboard wing now.
She's settled in the cradle.
Confirmed contact, releasing tension.
All right, secure the forward straps.
We're initiating the desalination rinse on the starboard side.
Keep the pressure steady around the cockpit area.
Check the forward straps again.
Localize corral secure.
Starboard side is loose.
Lift it steady. Keep it coming up. All right, bring it over the dock now. Easy, easy.
All right, bring it down slowly. Watch the starboard side.
Holding steady, coming down now.
Clear to set down.
Hold it steady right there. Lowering the starboard side now. Clearances look good on this end.
The primary concern is the integrity of the wing structure, especially around these rivets.
Agreed. We need more detailed scans before we move it.
Log the corrosion severity on the yoke stabilization.
Copy that. Sampling the residue now.
This section here is heavily corroded. We need detailed photos before it moves.
Already documenting it. The structural integrity looks compromised.
Hold it, hold it. All right, raise it slow. Clear on the left side.
The salt damage here is worse than expected. Document it and move the component to the quarantine bin.
Wing inspection complete. All surfaces clear.
Engine serials verified against the tablet manifest.
Landing gear checklist signed off. Ready for the next phase.
Meticulous inspection and the application of corrosion-resistant coatings are critical steps in the restoration process.
Hydraulic pressure engaging.
Monitoring alignment on the left strut.
Readings are stable.
The measurement here is exactly 42.5.
Okay, inputting that into the system now.
Struts extending smoothly. Pressure nominal.
Rotation verified. Locking sequence initiated. Alignment check green.
Initiating test sequence.
Extending flaps now.
Extension verified. Recording data. Retracting flaps.
Starting the sequence on number 1.
Copy that. Moving to the next fastener, check torque specs.
All green on the starboard side.
Verify engine instruments.
Oil pressure green. Fuel flow checked.
Calibration sequence complete. HUD verification shows green. Confirmed. Readouts are stable.
Movement is smooth through the full range. Gauge reads within tolerance.
Alignment confirmed.
We need to ensure the gloss is uniform across the fuselage.
This section is looking good, and I'm just checking the reflections on the wing edge.
Hydraulics engaged. Verify warning systems.
Warning systems active. Deactivating sequence initiated. Systems clear.
Clear rotation. No obstructions found.
Confirmed. Vibration check stable.
Noted. Finalizing sign-off.
The acoustic impedance maps confirm significant subsurface corrosion near frame 42.
All right, increasing the gain and rescanning that section now.
Hydraulic linkage connected. Ready for test.
Hydraulics pressure is oscillating. Are you logging this?
Yes, logging the stabilization sequence now.
HUD alignment still shows a minor deviation.
All engine panels secured. Flight controls checked.
Hydraulics verified. Ready for auxiliary power.
Clearance granted. Begin APU sequence.
Systems are green across the board. Look at that aileron response. Copy that. Ready for taxi test when you are.
Hydraulic pressure holding steady at 5,000 psi.
Confirmed. Electrical bus voltages look good.
Roger that. Removing external power.
Systems check complete on my side. How are the primaries?
Primaries are reading stable. We are good to proceed.
We put over 10,000 hours into her. To see that reflection, that finish, it makes us incredibly proud.
All right, clear on the left. Bring her forward slowly. Steady, steady. Hold position.
Final pre-flight check completed. Fighter jet fully operational. All systems verified.
Power systems stabilizing. How are the brakes responding?
Brake pressure nominal. Hydraulics engaging smoothly on the starboard side.
Copy that. Continuing taxi run.